Hi everyone, welcome back to Hello High. Today we're going to be infusing these awesome Pepperidge Farm goldfish cheddar flavor. And I have seen these, like people selling these as edibles along with the flaming hot Cheetos and regular Cheetos and Doritos. Well, you can use the method that I'm using today with these goldfish with all of those. So let's get started. And first, you need 3 tablespoons of Canna butter. This cookie sheet, and we are using this Martha Stewart cookie sheet, so we're not going to put aluminum foil over it because it has a silicone lining, and it's supposed to be non-stick, Martha Stewart, so we'll see. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees. Open the bag of goldfish and spread them evenly across the cookie sheet. Make sure you give the pan a little shake to make sure all the fish are flat on the